Today we're going to take a quick look at this electric spin scrubber. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in the box first, and then I'll show you this thing in action. So first of all, you get the main scrubber portion here. So this is the part that's going to be rechargeable, and you can also replace these heads. So it comes with 3 different brushes. So here's what the first one looks like. And you just pop that off, and you can see where you can just line it up, and these clip right into place. So very easy to switch out and use. And then to turn it on, you're going to long press this for just a few seconds, and then it's going to start in slow speed, and then I'm going to turn it to high speed, and then I long press it to turn it off. So I'll go ahead and show you that now. And then you also see the power indicator right here. So that's low speed, high speed, and then I'm going to long press and turn it off. And you'll see that in just a second as well. Then you do get the charge cable with it. And then what I like about it is you get this extension rod, which actually has multiple different pieces. So if you wanted to extend this even further out, you can put these together and do like a little combination of these, and then get it a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, and then it just screws in right to the base. And while I'm here, this is where you charge it up at, and then you just put that in there. And this is waterproof, does have the 2 speeds. I was able to use it earlier today in my sink. So I got those little holes, they get a little bit of mold in them, and they're pretty gross. So I took this, and this was actually the perfect size little brush there to get into those little hard to reach places, and you can see how that looks compared to the other 2, and that cleaned that middle one up pretty quickly, and then the third one as well. And the brush was super easy to clean. So if you are looking for an electric scrubber with the extension handle, and once again, you can take these sections out and shorten it down as much as you want to, or just use it with your hands. I love these. They're great to have around, and this one works perfectly fine. So if you're looking for one, I can recommend it. Hope this helps.